3, 2, 1.
Dude, come here. You're hungry? I knew it, dude. That's so cute. You know how I know? Because you be looking over there and shit. A lot of stomachs will be hungry. A lot of stomachs will be hungry. What's up, familia? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy. If you're new here, this is Lock Me That Jeremy. Today, I am trying 2 TikTok recipe trends. And if you don't know what TikTok is, it's basically an app that is freaking amazing. And if you couldn't tell by the intro of this video, I have been addicted. I've been going down that spiral that is TikTok and just spending countless hours on the app. It's basically 60-second or 15-second videos that people do like fun characters to. They reenact different things and they make dances that I cannot do because I'm so uncoordinated, and it's just a fun time, honestly. And I don't know, I've just been on there way too much and it's time for a break, so I decided to go ahead and open up the windows, which is probably why you can hear some birds and wind in the background. Sorry about that and all that extraness. I decided it was time to get away from the quarantine routine that we're all in and go ahead and try some new recipes. So today we're basically gonna be trying out 2 TikTok recipes. The Dalgona coffee that I'm sure you've seen. It's basically this foaming coffee thing that you make with 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. You whip it up and it turns into this foamy consistency and it's beautiful. And I want to recreate that, so we're gonna make that today. And then the next recipe we're gonna make is this egg sandwich thing. Basically you put the egg scramble in a pan, 2 slices of bread. It like somehow flippily flops and like closes, and I don't know. I've never seen anyone do it with like vegan eggs, so we're gonna be doing that today and see if it works. I'm scared, but I'm also hungry. It's breakfast time, so let's go ahead and get to cooking. Start out, I have all of my delicious sandwich ingredients right here. So I basically have some just white whole food sliced bread that I got yesterday. I have some Violife cheese and also some tofurkey slices. My favorite, Hellmann's vegan mayo, some Goya adobo. We just have some extra black pepper that'll be grinding up in there. I've been using this Country Crock plant butter, which is super delicious and super cheap. And also, for our egg portion, we're gonna be using Just Egg, which they've also lowered their prices recently, so go stock up on some. We're gonna go ahead and move to this side because I like this background better for my TikTok video background, so let's go ahead and do that. I also like to uncover everything, even if it's for YouTube or TikTok. I basically like to uncover everything so that I can be ready to just throw it, because my pan is already getting hot and things will start to burn. So let's go ahead and move the camera. So I'm here set up, I got my camera ready to go. I basically just realized that the bread is really big for this pan, but we're gonna go ahead and try it anyways. So our first step is, of course, to add some vegan butter. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put our bread on the butter. I'm gonna put the inside, which is like this way, because I want that to get toasted. I also don't use the TikTok app to record because whenever you get a call or something or like switch apps, your footage will like erase. So I like to film it on my actual phone in 4K because I think that's also a little bit better quality. Those are just some few TikTok tips for those of you newbies. So the bread is not like super golden brown, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out anyways because I don't want it to like burn. I'm also filming on my phone on TikTok. I like to like stop the camera in between like shots because then I have to edit it. It's like too long to edit on the TikTok app, or just like crop it on your phone. It's a lot of work. Just listen to me. Whisk up our egg. And so we just move the camera over a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and just add some of that just then one egg in there. We're gonna add some adobo. Let's do this instead. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mix that up. It's time for the exciting part. You wanna make sure that your camera's on, and I'm hoping that this works. And it's gonna cook up pretty quickly, but Just Egg is very wet, so like I don't know how I'm gonna put the bread on top and cook that side as well, because that's gonna be very freaking hard. We're gonna figure this out together. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and like cover this thing a bit. And then that way, when I put the bread on it, it won't be so like runny and uncooked. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm really scared, but we're making it work. Okay, so basically just mayo on one side of the toasted bread. I think that should be sufficient. And we're gonna go ahead and put the bread on there. There we go. There we go. I'm going to cover it so that the egg can stick to the bread. I think we're figuring this out, guys. I think we're gonna get this. Let's put 2 spatulas. Kinda. We kinda did it. I mean, it's a thing. Go ahead and add our cheese. And then what I like to do with tofurkey is when I have 2 slices, to go ahead and get 2 of the slices and just fold them up so you can have like a thicker sandwich. I'm excited. excited. I'm so excited. That should be good. Let's go ahead and get this final pickup shot. And we're gonna put it on this beautiful plate. Man, freaking look at that. Oh, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my coffee now, and we'll record that before we like get up in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave to wait. All right, guys, so we have the shot set up. Basically, I have my mixing bowl here, and then I have the mixer in the background so that it has like a cute little shot, you know? And then that way when I'm putting this stuff in, it looks nice. So I have our mixing bowl here, measuring spoon. I have my mixer that my mother gave me. It's really cute, vintage. We have our warm water here in a pretty little mason jar so that when you pour it in, it's like, you know, aesthetically pleasing. A wooden spoon so that when I put it into my mug, it looks cute. I have my raw cane sugar. And then of course, the most important thing is you need instant ground coffee. It does not work with like regular coffee. I've seen people do it. It just doesn't come out as foamy. I'm using Café Bustelo today because I'm Puerto Rican. I don't know if this is exactly 2 tablespoons, so we're gonna go ahead and measure. But first, I obviously want to show my followers what I'm using. It's not 2 tablespoons exactly, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and do it anyways, because I've seen people do it with like different measurements and it still works out, so let me go ahead and do that. I bought 2 boxes of these just in case, because I said it's sickening out there and I'm not about to go out of my house again, so we're just gonna go ahead and get the 2 boxes and experiment. You guys are getting like a little behind the scenes of like what I do for YouTube and my blog. This is literally how I set up stuff, and it's so exciting. It's like my favorite thing to do in life. So next we're gonna use our cane sugar. This is organic cane sugar. Sugar that is not like organic usually is like, what do you call it? I don't know. They use bone char basically to break up the sugar, and it's disgusting. So get you some organic sugar just to be safe. I feel like this is a lot of sugar, but I mean, oh, this is splattering like everywhere.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff in the kitchen and then get my mug ready so that I can do the pour shots. It's gonna be cute. I'm so excited to try all this for you guys. You guys see how foamy that is? Woo! Freaking beautiful. Okay, guys, so next I have my foam coffee. I have my milk. This is almond milk unsweetened. There's 2 spoons for mixing and foaming. I got my straw, which might be too big for my mug. Some vanilla, nutmeg to also pour in there. I have my shot set up in this little corner right here because it looks really cute, as you guys can see. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and just pour our milk in here. Beautiful. I like to cover up the logo with my finger because I didn't take the stickers off. I don't like the logos to show because they're not paying me. And then we're gonna go ahead and obviously just do our foam. So foamy. This is the coffee shot, so let's go ahead and mix it, I guess. Oh god, it's dripping. I also want to mix it up good because I put a shit ton of nutmeg in there and I don't want to be sipping on nutmeg. So now let's go ahead and get our sandwich and eat some breakfast because I am freaking starving. But it's freaking beauty.
Yeah, I bet that you wish you had this. Bless me, I'm sick of your average. Vodka? Comes down to it, I just think I do it better.
I've taken like 100 million thumbnails and I don't like any of them, so we're just gonna go ahead and move forward. So I got my sandwich here, already cut it in half. Look at this freaking beauty. Look at the egg, mad eggy. I don't know about you guys, but I ain't never ate no egg sandwich without some ketchup, so we gotta put some ketchup on here first. Here is our egg sandwich. We got the cheese, tofurkey, the good just egg, and we got our ketchup to dip in. Like, yummy. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking hungry. It's so buttery and delicious and salty. Let's get into these details. We got the buttery bread, our omelet, tofurkey, that creamy cheese, some mayo inside, and you just bring it all together with this ketchup. It don't get no better than this. Literally. It gets no better than this. It's delicious. Like, honestly, it's freaking delicious. You need to try this. so next we have our Dalgona coffee. As I mentioned, this was originated in Korea. I don't know if it's like a long time thing that they've been making for years or if it's something new, but basically it's just a foam coffee thing that you make with a whisk or a mixer. I ended up using my mixer because I was not about to do all that with a whisk because I see that it takes forever. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this. Ah, that is so good. Delicious. And like, you really taste the coffee. I don't know if it's like the foaminess of it all or like you mixing it that like intensifies the coffee flavor versus like brewing it. I kind of wish that the foam would last longer because if I made a batch of this and I could use it for like maybe 2 days, I would really love that. So I'm gonna try like adding it to a like mason jar, leaving it in the fridge, and then maybe if I shake it up a little bit, it'll like re-foam. So I don't think I would do this every single day or like in the morning when I am going back to the office, but it is a nice weekend thing, especially if you have visitors over. It's just like really cute. I mean, look at that. It's cute. Super freaking cute. Anyways, guys, this was super fun. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this food. I truly enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more TikTok videos or me trying out different recipes, make sure you guys leave me some comments down below with different video ideas. Also, you can message me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or even on my website. It's all at La Comida Jeremy, lacomidajeremy.com. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this because I'm hungry. I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Y los quiero. Stay healthy, stay clean, get off of the internet, go do something productive. Y hablamos ahorita. Ciao!
Versace robe and my Gucci look.